Look at this vibrant, delicious vegetarian beet dip loaded with piquant Pecorino Romano, sour cream, and fresh dill. It's great with crackers, grissini, or veggies like cauliflower or celery, and is the easiest thing to make. This time we've made it with oven roasted bits versus boiling them. It was the right move because we wanted to seal the juices, flavor, and the color in the bits. For roasting in whole, choose medium-sized bits and thoroughly wash them before roasting. Pat dry and then wrap and seal in a piece of foil. You can also finish the step a day before making this dip. In the oven preheated to 400F or 200C. It will take about an hour and a half to roast these large bits. Just because ovens are different, it may be helpful to check the beets with a wooden skewer. If it smoothly goes in, then the beets are cooked. Let the beets cool down, and in the meantime, toast the caraway seeds for just a minute. Let them cool down as well. And while both the beets and the caraway seeds cool, saute 1 medium-sized shallot and 2 small garlic cloves already minced in 2 tablespoons of the olive oil until they are cooked and slightly golden. In the mortar and pestle, crush the toasted caraway seeds and set them aside. Here I have my tiny one, which works great when I need to crush small amounts of the spices. Peel the beets, cut them in quarters, and whiz in a food processor until they are finely minced. You may need a pair of cooking gloves to protect your hands from coloring, and if you have a light color nail polish, beets may easily turn it into pink. If you're a fan of pink, do not worry at all, but if not, have your gloves ready. Scrape the walls of the food processor cup a couple times to make sure that all the pieces have been minced to make a homogeneous dip. Add the cooked shallot and garlic mixture, then 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a generous pinch of kosher salt, 2/3 of the sour cream, and the crushed caraway seeds. Whiz again to combine everything well, test the seasonings, and adjust to your liking. If or when everything tastes great, transfer the dip into a shallow bowl. Oh, what a deep, rich color we've got! I love it! Do you? Using a spoon, flatten the surface of beet dip by making these beautiful swirls. Garnish with the rest of the sour cream. Sprinkle with freshly grated Pecorino Romano and finely minced fresh dill. Enjoy with dried bread, grissini, or veggies. Hope you liked this idea, and if so, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and join us next week for a mouth-watering lunch idea.